It's here. It's here. It's freaking here. Let's go. Come on. It finally arrived. It's here. Can you believe that? It's here. Let's go get it. Oh yeah. I'm so freaking stoked right now. Wait, that's not right. Oh yeah, boys, that's so much better. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go through the darkness. Now let's turn on the lightness. Let's step to the outside and go check our mailbox. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh, I stepped on it. Well, I guess they left it at the door for us. Back inside to the lightness. Close the door from the outside. I mean the inside. Take off my shoes now. Back to the darkness. We're going through the darkness. Going through the darkness with our package. We got yay. Da, 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 da. What's here, you might ask? Well, it's an Amazon package. You got mail. Mail, mail. I can't think of the mail song from Blue's Clues. But anyways, oh boy am I excited about this one. Because this just came out today. Oh, you heard me right. Today, it just came out. Well, technically, by the time you're watching this, it'd be around yesterday. It would have come out yesterday, not today. But nonetheless, am I still excited about this? We're gonna act like we don't have any tools. So we're just gonna rip this bad boy right open with our... honestly, I might have broken it whenever I stepped on it outside, but it sounds like it's fine, you know? It sounds like it's okay. Ugh. This is what you've been waiting for. I don't know why I'm trying to build up suspense in this video as to like surprise you with what it is when you've probably already read the title and that's why you're clicking on this video. Let me introduce to you the all-new Alexa Echo Dot by Amazon. Now, I've never had an Alexa before. I've never had any Dot, Google, Home, Google thing, no Siri. Well, I mean, I've got Siri on my phone. I don't know anything. I don't know anything about that stuff. My old roommates had the Google Home, the Google thing, whatever that was. This one, I'm sure you guys know that I'm excited about because I got this for my stream that is coming up, the Thankmas stream that I've been talking all week about. I've been posting on all my social medias about it. I'm gonna be doing a Thankmas stream, and I actually needed this for the stream because it was gonna go with one of the ideas that I had. And if you didn't know already, I would like to inform you that this is normally $50, but for a limited time you can get it for $30. And not only $30, but you can also do 5 monthly payments on the new Alexa Echo Dot by Amazon. That'd be $6 a month for 5 months. That's insane. And yeah, I got two. One, you know, it's for the stream, and then this one, well, that's for somebody else. I got them a present too. But this one is gonna be here for the stream. I've got something super cool planned for this. I hope you guys are there at the stream because if you're not at the stream, you're gonna miss it. I'll probably do a video later on after the stream and everything, you know, probably a couple days after, and show the same feature that I'm about to show off with this during the streaming event for the charity. But I guarantee you, you're gonna wanna be there. You don't wanna miss it. So be there or be square. Be at my Thankmas charity event stream thing in the link below. I'll probably put a link. I'll probably forget at the same time, but that's okay. And yes, I did just lower my chair so I could fit here at the desk nice and level with the camera. And no, this mic is not working right now. It's a prop basically for this video. This is not going through this audio. You're hearing me through the camera audio. This is just here because I couldn't move it. It kind of looks like it's working and doing some sort of job right now, but I assure you it's absolutely, completely useless. But for this beautiful box, we will be using a cutting tool to get inside and see its components. Actually, no, we will not. I retract that statement because there's a pull tab on here, and you know, I'd rather just follow the rules. That way nothing gets hurt or damaged, I don't get sad. Plus, if I play strictly by the rules, I might be rewarded even more. Alexa might be happier with me, and we can have a great start to our friendship. Now, let me tell you the real reason. I said it was for the charity stream event that I was gonna be doing, but you know, between me and you, both know that it's actually just so I can finally have a friend around here, but they don't need to know that. Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. I don't know, it's simple, it's nice, it's like the size, it is the literal size of a softball. I don't get the wrapping around this. There's like a few pieces of plastic. These seem like they are absolutely pointless. And it is. What is this? This is like a half sock of plastic around my beautiful Alexa. It's just basically ruining it and making it ugly. Now it does have a nice silicone like grip down here, so it won't slide around, and you know, it's got good grip on it. It's also got the little logo there. I'm not sure if it'll show up in the camera. You can actually kind of see it there as soon as the reflection hits it. It's right at the very top of this grippy part, right there. There's no other logos or branding anywhere on this. Unless you know what the new Echo Dot looks like, or you know what an Echo Dot is, then you're not gonna, if someone's seen this, they'd be like, whoa, what is that? They just think it's a regular old brand speaker. But it looks very beautiful, very sleek, very chic, and all around I just like it. Hopefully it produces good sound. Hopefully it's very nice quality. I'm assuming that since it's by Amazon that it will be very good quality, because I have tested out some of the Alexas and I have heard their quality and everything else, but I just hope that this new one is living up to the expectations I'm putting out for it, or the standards I'm holding it up to right now. Now, also inside the contents of this box, you have a picture of a phone that says Amazon Alexa. Do I know what that means? No. That does not do a very good job for new people like me of understanding what this has to do with anything. Do I get a free phone with Amazon Alexa on it? Probably not. I don't see one in here, so I think this box might be a little bit of false advertisement. But hang on, let's just wait to see. It looks like I've got my Echo Dot here and a charger in here as well. So, oh, it's a fat brick. That is a fat brick, my dude. Almost half the size of my Alexa, bro. Alexa got a fat brick, homie. 15 watts. Am I stupid or is that normal? 15 watts, that sounds like a lot. But anyways, I actually have a plug-in directly below the desk, and if you can see, right here in between, and let me see if I can move you guys. I dropped you, it's fine, you know what? Suck it up. Right here, here's my two monitors, there's my tripod with my camera on it, that's a Bang energy drink. Obviously, there's some Carolina Reapers, that's kind of unnecessary. Here's my collectibles, there's a bunch of collectibles. It's not a bunch. If it were a bunch, I'd be so much happier. I don't have enough collectibles. I want more. I want all kinds of collectibles. I want to fill a whole freaking wall full of nothing but collectibles. I got my little Rick and Morty head stress ball in here. You can squish him. He's nice and squishy. Then I got my Rick and Morty mug, and then my Rick and Morty glass, which you guys probably seen from the Loot Crate videos that I used to do. I'll probably do some more of those eventually. I just like to do them every once in a while. That's not really what I want to brand my channel around. If it's okay with you guys, I would like to put it right here in the middle. If you guys are not okay with that, and you guys actually want me to put it up here, or make room for it somewhere else, or maybe it should go right here in this little corner cubby pocket thing, I don't know. Or maybe it should go over here by my plumbus. But I'm excited to plug this bad boy up, so let's plug her in. Also be aware of where you place your knives after you open them for video, and forget about them, because I left it on my lap while I was sitting down and recording, and as soon as I stood up to get out of this chair to plug in the Alexa, it actually fell and nicked my leg. It is just a small scratch, it's fine. I'll be okay, I'm not gonna die, sadly, you know, but it's alright, you know, one day. This is a really pretty box, though. But other than that, we have a second one, so we don't really need this one right now. That was freaking loud. It sounded like it actually broke something. Yeah, so important information. Let's crack this bad boy open. So you got the tap detection right there. You got the microphone over here. You can turn that on and off as well. You got the volume buttons, which are the plus and minus. And then you have the action button. Alexa is designed to protect your privacy. Wake word and indicators. You know, I highly doubt that Alexa protects privacy. The only other things on here are microphone controls and voice history, so not important. Here's what we are looking for. We need to download the Amazon Alexa app. So before setting up the device, have your Wi-Fi network name and password ready. This is the important instruction that we were looking for right here. If you look around the bottom of the Alexa, there is like a ring, a very light, darkish gray ring, whatever you want to call it. And that's just an LED light, just to tell you, hey, the power's on. It turns on whenever she responds or talks to you. It does all kinds of stuff. You know, it's crazy what kind of stuff lights can do these days. But over here on the left side, or technically your right side, there is the power port over there, and then on the left side, that's the 3.5 millimeter in and out jack, right? Like an aux, basically. And then we're gonna go ahead and download the app and set that up on there as well, and then we'll return and try out some of these cool new things. But the really cool thing that you guys don't want to miss is gonna be on my stream for the Thankmas charity event. So I know I've mentioned it like 1,500 times in this video, but I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss it. Alright, so now that we have the app set up, we're gonna plug this in. Should give us some sort of response right about now. Perfect, wow. That's a beautiful light. I love that. That's nice and bright. Oh, it's even doing a little circle. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna be basically amazed by everything this does, even if it completely dies on me, because I've never had one before, so that'd be my first Alexa dying on me. I don't know if that's ever happened and Alexa's just defective, but...
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones. Bonjour. Votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
English. No, okay, that's not a command. Alright, hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. Alexa? Alright, so my Alexa's defective. Actually, I probably just didn't hook it up right in the app, so I'll be back. Alright, so I think she should officially be set up now. Wait, where's that paper at? Where's the paper with the things that I was gonna try? Alright, let's put her to the test, boys. Alexa, how many kilometers are in a mile?
1 mile is about 1.61 kilometers.
That's correct. Alexa, what's the weather this weekend?
In Oviedo for this weekend. On Friday, it should be sunny. On Saturday and Sunday, it should be cloudy. Daytime highs will range between 74 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit.
I didn't think she was going to tell you guys where I lived. Alexa, what can you do?
There's a lot. For example, I can help with morning activities, relaxation, education, entertainment, and more. Which would you like to explore?
Sex.
Sorry, I didn't get that. I can help with morning activities, relaxation,
That is morning activity.
education, entertainment, and more. Which would you like to explore?
Turn up the thermostat.
Sorry, I didn't get that. I can help with morning activities.
Alexa, turn up the thermostat. What the hell, Alexa? Turn up the thermostat.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named thermostat.
'Cause I ain't got one. I mean, I do, but it's not up to date like this, you know? Hey, Alexa, turn off the lamp.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named lamp.
Yeah, I don't have one of those either. Damn, I gotta buy a lot more stuff, don't I? Hey, Alexa, announce dinner is ready. I think I broke her. Hey, Alexa. Alexa, announce dinner is ready. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. What the frick are you doing? Are you broken? Did I break it already? I just got this thing. Announce dinner is ready.
Announcing.
Whoa.
Dinner is ready.
She repeated my voice And it popped up a notification on my phone, dog. That's crazy. That's so cool. Alexa, pre-order 500 paper towels.
12 units is the most I can order at once.
Alexa,
visit Amazon to order more.
Alexa, order 12 units of paper towels. Alexa, order 12 units of paper towels. Alexa, order 12 units of paper towels.
There are lots of options for paper towels. I can help you find what you are looking for.
Yeah, there
If you
are.
want Bounty, say buy Bounty paper towels.
No.
Or for Brawny,
No.
say buy Brawny
Forget
paper
it.
towels.
Forget it. I don't want any more. No more. No more, Alexa. No more. Alright guys, yeah, well that's gonna be it for today's video. There wasn't much to it. I just wanted to show off my new Alexa that I got, basically. You know, you can get one too. I told you guys about that in the beginning of the video, where to get one. I'll probably put it down below in the description if I don't forget. You guys know I always forget to put things everywhere, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, I like the look to it. I don't even know what the 3 looked like. I think it looked the same, possibly. I'm not sure. I would actually like to compare it to one that I've had in the past, but sadly I haven't had any. This is my first one. And I only got this because of a certain activity I can do with it. Yeah, as I was saying before the camera rudely interrupted me and cut me out there. Basically, just stay tuned for the stream that's coming up next week, depending on whenever you guys are seeing this. If you're watching this a year from whenever this video went up, well, that was a week from a year ago from today, which you're watching today, a year in the future. Yeah. Gotcha. But I'll also leave all that information down below in the description as well, as long as I don't forget. But I definitely recommend it. It's a super affordable, super cheap, nice, cool thing to have around the house. And if you don't have one, you might as well get one, right? Like I said, super affordable, super cheap, and it's just a cool home thing to do. And after you guys see what it can do on my stream, you're gonna want one. Maybe. If you're lonely like I am, you will. But as always, you guys know what we say here on the channel. Peace out, guys. Love you. Catch me in the next video. It was weird doing that with the camera in my hand for once.